Concept of force is central to all of physics, whether it is classical physics, nuclear physics, quantum physics, or any other form of physics. It is the single most important mean through which different bodies interact with each other. Commonly, we can understand force to be a form of push or pull applied to a body from another. But we need more than that to define and quantify force. So, what is force? It is an external influence which causes change in velocity of a body. Note here that the force causes change in velocity. So a body moving with a particular velocity should keep moving with same velocity unless a force is applied. And a body at rest would continue to stay at rest in absence of force. There are many ways in which one body can exert force on another body. Compressed spring exerts force on bodies attached to its ends. Air filled in an inflated balloon exerts force on the walls of balloons. Force can be used to deform a flexible object too. There are 4 fundamental forces under which all the types of forces in this universe can be categorized. Strong and weak forces. These are the forces acting at a very short distance, approximately of the order of 10 to the power minus 5 meters, and are responsible for interaction between neutrons and protons in atomic nucleus. If we push a wall with our finger, we might feel that the finger is in contact with the wall, but actually we are just experiencing this kind of force which only acts at a very short distance. So we can never actually touch a wall or anything else for that matter, but just feel the force when our finger and the other object comes very close. Electromagnetic force. These are the forces which act on a longer range than strong forces. They are caused due to interaction between charged species. These can be both push or pull type, that is to say, attracting and repelling in nature. Gravitational force. These are the forces of attraction between masses. Law of gravity says that any body having a mass will attract any other body also having some mass, and this force will be stronger for bodies which are closer.